Budgeting and saving every month is important for everyone, even kids, and here are some simple steps to help you get started. So, first, you need to know how much money you have. Write down all the money you earn, like your allowance or money that you get from doing chores. Next, list all your expenses like snacks, toys, games, whatever if you're young. This helps you see where your money goes. Okay, well, once you know that, after that, create a budget. Decide how much money you want to spend on different things. For example, you might want to save some money, for a car or for whatever it is. You set aside a little bit for snacks. A good rule is to save at least 10% of your money. To make it easier, savings, you can open up a savings jar or use a bank account, and every time you get money, you put some in your savings first. You can even make it fun by setting a goal, like saving for a special car or a game or whatever you do. Finally, keep track of your spending and savings each month, and at the end of the month, review your budget. Did you stick to it? If not, think about what you can change for the next month. And with practice, you'll become a budgeting pro. All right? It's about also saying no to a lot of things that you would usually and seeing what's more important. Hopefully, things get boring by buying things that you don't need early and you learn faster.